Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and someone asked me which product did I use today. Today in the first house, on the bottom part, I was using this kind of product. It's by Diversey Crew Tile and Grout Rejuvenator, Restaurador de Azulejos y Lechada. Really good product. I really love it. To remove the mold, and also sometimes I have a lot of that product. Sometimes I use this kind of brand. This brand is spectacular good. Zep, I don't know how to pronounce Zip, ZEP. Okay, and depending of the job, of the situation, is depending what kind of product I use. So I already talked about this product on Chromium. That is a really good product to prevent and eliminate the mold issue, and others. Okay, of course, Bona for hardwood floors, Pledge, Mr. Muscle for oven cleaning, things like that. This brand ZEP is really good. This product I just use it in extremely high heavy duty situation on the toilets. I have a video where I used that product. It was the worst toilet ever. Okay. Another product that I love is by the same brand, ZEP Neutral pH floor cleaner. Okay, someone was talking about how to clean the grout lines. This product is really good, but it's really strong, so be careful with that. The best product ever by Ecolab. This is a cleanser, and of course this is the best toilet bowl cleaner, Lysol. Okay, someone talked to me and asked me what I use to sanitize and clean the bathrooms, depending of the situation. This is my machine by Ecolab. All my products are here concentrated, so the machine will put it in the ready-to-use bottle, and I don't have to mix it by myself. I already have videos talking about this. This is the antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. Really good. It smells good. This pink, it smells wonderful. It's not for a heavy-duty job. This is a really good for really good houses. Okay, green seal label, peroxide, and safe air refreshener. Sometimes I use antibacterial, or I use, let me see. I use this. Oasis Multi-Quack Sanitizer. Disinfect, sanitizer, and deodorizer. For marble, I use this. What is the... So every product has a different type of situations. For the marble, I use that one. That is... this is my ready-to-use bottles. For marble, I don't know where I have more. Neutral, Augusta. This is the label for the marble safe cleaner. This is the concentrated, and all the dispensers are there. I hope this video helps someone. If not, just put a comment and I will answer as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Bars Keepers. Oof. Love this product. Easy to find. Really good product. You can find it in Walmart. Great product. Okay, bye.